All right, what's up, everybody? It's time for another unboxing. It's the Ultimate Warrior bandana unboxing. So let's check it out, huh? If my dumb ass can figure this thing out. Daisy's like, "What you doing there, Daddy? What you doing there, Gay? What you doing, Gay?" Yeah. Let's check it out, huh? Actually, I'm going to keep that. Whoa. That is cool. I like it. That's awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on. You'll know every time I upload. I'm not keeping this. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video.